Okay guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got an 85 Jeep CJ-7. This one's got the 4.2 liter inline six. Got this on trade here locally in Texas. Nice little Jeep, not a big rust bucket or anything like that. It has not been restored, so it's got the original paint is what it looks like. And there are some paint flaws, you know, there's some chips and things here, stuff like this. Overall, nice Jeep. It does come with the wind jammer that covers up that whole back area and closes the front two seats. 35-inch tires. It's an automatic. It does have a cold AC. All that has been worked on. It's got a new AC compressor on it as well, new water pump. It does come with some records over the last several years. So it's just a nice Jeep. You get in it, start it, run, drive, goes down the highway good. Stops good. It's got power brakes. So overall, nice Jeep. Something to kick around in. The lights work. Power steering. Call me if you've got any other questions. I'll post some pictures of the engine bay and underneath on the undercarriage. Let you look at that as well. Like I said, it's pretty clean. It's not a full resto for sure, and we're not pricing it that way. But it's a nice Jeep to get in and run around town, have some cold AC blowing on you. So give us a call, text, email. Let's take a quick look inside. Here we go. We've got a nice seat back here. These are cloth. They're in good shape. These seats are real comfortable up front here. These have been replaced. They're not original. We've got these gauges in here. All the gauges are working. Your AC unit down there, four-wheel drive works, of course. Radio does work. It's Bluetooth as well. Boards, the floorboards here have been rhino lined. This is a drain hole here. Door panels look good. Of course, those pop right off if you want to go doorless. Yeah, so give us a call. We can ship this to you. Come by, check it out in person, of course. We can do cash deals. And if you've got somebody you want to finance with, then you're welcome to bring your own financing. So go ahead and follow us on Rogers_Motorcars on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And hope to hear from you soon.